Welcome back to Ham's Views. We're on our second hike of the day. We did Third Vault Falls, so we decided to do a little hike called SHIPHAVEN. It's about a kilometer round trip. They say it's a beautiful little trail, so we felt good. We decided to check this one out too. Come along, check out the views, bud. They honestly got a lot of beautiful trails in this national park. Like, it's just amazing wherever you look. Just beautiful views, beautiful cliffs, cool trails. I recommend if you're on the East Coast, you honestly need to check out the Fundy National Park. There ain't honestly a more beautiful spot. Found this cool little saying that was carved into one of the boards on the side here. When one tugs at a single thing in nature, he finds it attached to the rest of the world. So here we are at the end of SHIPHAVEN. Can you see that thing down there?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go down and check out to see what that little metal thing is, because I've seen it from over here and I'm just curious to see what it is. Maybe it's to do with like the logging over here and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna go over and check it out. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but there's two big holes. Maybe it looks like there'd be big giant ropes that go through it to anchor something here, like a ship or something to go across to keep the logs up. But look at the size of it compared to my hand. Like, you can literally almost fit my whole hand in the holes. So that's a pretty cool find. We'll take a little look-see around her, the other side. Decent. One last view before we go up the trail, bud. Soak it all in and enjoy. Just your regular amazing views from your boy Ham. Now that's a beautiful sight right there. So let's go up a different way. We call this the path less traveled. I'm coming right now, but I had to set the camera down. There's a point down there that I had to set the camera down. So there you have it. SHIPHAVEN, a short trail with some actually sick views. Like, check this out over here, even though it's through the trees. Look at that. The tide's down and you can see way out there. So, more sick views, awesome hikes. This is the end of SHIPHAVEN. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one, bud. Ham's Views out.